Welcome to Inside EPISD. I'm Melissa Grukowski, your Public Information Officer. Safety is our top priority here at the Eagle Pass Independent School District. Recently, a federal grant has allowed us to purchase a visitor monitoring system named RAPTOR. This system will be installed in all of our campuses and service centers district-wide. This allows us to keep unwanted visitors off of our campus. Here's a look at a step-by-step on how to use RAPTOR when visiting our campuses.
Why is the district using RAPTOR?
RAPTOR's first and foremost best quality is screening for sex offenders. This allows us to keep our students and staff safe in school. RAPTOR software checks your name and your birthday on your driver's license and compares it to the National Sex Offender Registry. This is the only information scanned from your driver's license. The register is updated weekly by RAPTOR staff in Texas. It also allows us to track who is currently in our building. This is very beneficial if a school needs to evacuate for whatever reason. You can access RAPTOR from any location with internet access and can pull who is currently in your building.
What does this mean to me?
Every visitor or volunteer will be scanned through our RAPTOR visitor and logged into the system every time they visit a school or education service center. With just a few easy steps, you can be scanned into our system. If you are a visitor, you will need to be scanned into each school on your first visit. If you are a volunteer, you can be scanned in once as the volunteer database is district-wide. Once you are scanned into the system at your child's school, your information will remain. On your first visit to a school, you will need to bring a current driver's license or other government-issued ID, such as a state ID, a passport, or a consular card. You will need to present your government-issued ID to the person in the school's office. They will scan your ID and give you a sticker ID badge that you will wear throughout your visit.
What information is scanned for my driver's license?
The RAPTOR scanner only reads your first and last name as well as your date of birth. This is the only information needed to check the National Sex Offender Registry.
What if I don't have a government-issued ID?
If you don't have a government-issued ID, you can obtain a district notification approval card from your child's school or education service center. Eagle Pass Independent School District school employee or principal will issue your card once you establish your identity. This card will need to be shown at every visit as we aren't able to scan it through RAPTOR.
What happens if a possible sex offender is a match?
A screen will appear if there is a possible match for a sex offender. Our RAPTOR operators have been trained on how to identify if the visitor matches the National Sex Offender Registry entry. If it isn't a match, they'll click no, and the visitor is able to receive their printed sticker badge and are able to enter the building. If it is a match, the operator will then click yes, alerting administrators in the building. The administrator will pull the visitor aside and discuss the district's policy regarding sex offenders visiting the building.
As you can see, the district is very dedicated to the well-being of your children. Thank you so much for helping us raise the bar on safety by using RAPTOR and checking in and out properly in all of our schools. Please join us next time for another edition of Inside EPISD. I'm Melissa Grukowski.